Welcome to day 17 of our object-oriented programming course. Today we will discuss an essential concept, inheritance. Inheritance is the cornerstone of OOP that enables us to reuse code efficiently and organize it logically. This session will cover its definition, implementation, various types, and practical examples. Let's get started. Inheritance is a mechanism where one class called a derived class inherits properties and behaviors from another class called a base class. It allows us to promote code reusability and create a logical class hierarchy. Key terms to remember are base class, the parent class providing attributes and methods. Derived class, the child class inheriting from the base class. For example, imagine a vehicle as the base class and its derived class could be car and bike. This allows shared properties like speed or fuel capacity to be defined once in the base class and reused by the derived classes. Inheritance is implemented using base and derived classes. In Python, the syntax is straightforward. We have base class methods and attributes and inherited and new methods or attributes. Both Python and C++ let you reuse functionality while enabling extensions in derived classes. Let's look at a simple example. Here's a Python class named vehicle which serves as a base class. The base class defines a constructor to initialize the brand attribute and a method drive that all vehicles can use. This is the foundation of our inheritance example. Now let's derive a class from vehicle. Here the car class inherits from vehicle but overrides the drive method to specify behavior for cars. The derived class builds upon the base class and adds its own unique features. Inheritance also allows accessing parent class members. For example, in the example, dog is inherited from animal, and we are using the speak method from animal using the super keyword. Using super, the derived class can invoke methods or constructors from the base class. Similarly, in C++, the base class syntax is used for explicit calls to base class methods. Method overriding occurs when a derived class redefines a method from its base class. This allows derived classes to provide specific implementations like calculating the area of a rectangle. Overriding is vital for tailoring the behavior of inherited methods to suit specific needs. There are 5 primary types of inheritance. Single inheritance, a single base class and a single derived class. Multi-level inheritance. Inheritance occurs in a chain-like manner. Multiple inheritance. A single derived class inherits from multiple base classes. Hierarchical inheritance. Multiple derived classes inherit from a single base class. Hybrid inheritance. A combination of the both types. These types help structure complex systems effectively. Protected members strike a balance between private and public access. In Python, these are prefixed with an underscore, such as underscore protected attribute. In C++, they use the protected keyword. Here is an example. Protected members ensure controlled access within the class hierarchy while keeping them hidden from external classes. Let's reinforce our understanding with some exercises. Create a person class and derive employee and student classes with unique attributes like salary and grades. Implement a class hierarchy for shapes such as shape, circle, and rectangle, each calculating its area. Create a base class library to manage books and a derived class public library to track issued books. For a challenge, design a vehicle class and derive car and truck, each implementing a custom fuel efficiency method. These exercises will give you hands-on experience with inheritance. By the end of this session, you should be able to explain the concept and benefits of inheritance. Implement various types of inheritance such as single and multi-level inheritance. Use super and constructors effectively in inheritance scenarios. Override base class methods for customized behavior. In our next session, we will discuss polymorphism, focusing on method overloading and overriding. Thank you for participating.